mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing I
Going.
Are you going to Florida?
Oh yeah, I will.
Oh.
We're going to see my son Braxton.
Miami, Florida would have been cool.
We're about to go to Finley. The door was open. They're retarded.
Yeah, the door was unlocked.
Yeah, we're about to go see Brighton and Finley. I got my camera, so I'm gonna record with that, and I'm gonna try to do both, my phone and my camera. My phone and my
That mother should have came down here.
camera. Who, Brighton?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. How's he gonna get here? Walk?
Came here.
All right, y'all. See you.
Thank you for choosing Dunkin' Donuts restaurant. What can I get started for you?
Give me a second here. Let me. Just 1 second. I'm sorry.
No, take your time.
The whole menu.
Okay. You still dealing with breakfast sandwiches, ain't you?
I sure am.
You still dealing with breakfast sandwiches, right?
Yep.
Okay. Let me get one of your sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant.
Okay.
And can you add ham onto there too?
Yeah.
I want the sausage and everything on there too. Just
Okay.
add some ham on there for me.
Okay.
Great.
Anything else I can get for you?
Let me get one of your, what is that? Can I just get a strawberry smoothie, no banana, a medium?
You said a medium strawberry banana smoothie.
Yeah, no banana. Can it be just strawberry?
Yeah. We're actually out of bananas, so
Cool.
it works out for.
Thank you. Yeah, I don't want that.
Okay. Anything else I can get for you?
No, that's it. I might lose weight, but dog, y'all love me.
Mom lost too much weight, man.
No, I didn't. Actually, my doctor told me my body looked better than. Actually, she
Not
told
just
me,
look like Mom losing the weight in the belly.
no, she told me my arthritis has come to a still.
You know what I'm saying? But whoosh. Why you got them dirty shoes on?
Who?
You.
I don't know what happened to my other ones. Are they outside? Where'd Brighton go?
Look there. His hair is the same. You going to choke about the hair, Mom?
Man, Brighton with his girlfriend at. I'm like, oh, she don't want to hang out with her. We ain't spatial enough. What the heck? His hair still red? Brighton look like he got skinnier.
Maybe about to eat that. Maybe we need to go get a steak dinner over here.
Y'all got my money? I left the mask inside because y'all didn't remind me.
This is not hard.
I think you got.
Yeah, I still fit them.
I think you got skinnier, Brighton. That shirt is too small.
Huh?
That shirt you're wearing is too small.
It's a jacket. It ain't too small.
Yes, it is.
It fits.
No, whose jacket is that? Your girlfriend's or
It's
her?
mine.
Or her brother's?
This is my jacket.
Where's she at?
See the fish?
She
She has
do-
to go to work.
Eat some food.
It's probably trash, ain't it?
Yes.
Look at this.
Oh.
I stepped on it when I went to the bathroom last night. I don't know why they were on the floor.
Oh yeah, that's right. Thank you, man. Dang.
Well, we can super glue that piece back in and then work.
You always break your glass.
Brighton, that coat and shirt is too small for you.
Shirt ain't too small.
You look
Stitches all
crazy.
the way down.
Uh-huh.
He looks crazy.
Brighton,
wearing
why
that
you got a jacket
this
on
heat.
for? It's hot out here.
Girl, listen.
I mean,
Finley, it be all over the place too. Like Lima weather.
Yeah. What next is
If
going to
we put a little glue
snow?
in there, it'll still work.
Huh?
Really? People,
What?
you all on your phone.
I'm looking.
I'm not.
I'm recording.
Okay, Mom's necessary.
I'm cleaning my phone, punk.
I'm trying
Oh,
to see my
Jesus.
throat.
Mine might be in the cage.
There we go. No, he's frozen.
Yeah, so this is detachable now.
What?
This, because otherwise it has a suction cup on the back there where you stick it on and you just leave it there. But I took it off so then I can just have it on and off.
It's too much.
Well, it charges my phone once-ish. Eh.
I should have brought my little thing.
None of my business.
No, are you getting home?
They said her temperature was 101, so she's waiting in the lobby right now.
Who?
Taylor,
Who's that?
my girlfriend.
She made herself temperature out, then she probably stood out in the sun.
So now she's waiting in the lobby to see if it dies down. Or...
Oh, so she did the raise the temperature up thing, so she
Mom,
ain't
you
work.
could get your salad.
I get it. I get it.
That means there'll only be one person closing tonight.
Why don't you just call me and say I'm not coming in today?
And
She got 10 like she got temperature.
she could have came and hung out with us.
I'm gonna pay for it, fool. Ain't no big deal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I get you guys something with appetizer or anything? You guys ready to order?
Oh, dude,
I ain't even look yet.
I sure no good. Oh, I didn't mean to throw that. You want to advertise the Chris or you want Oh, my bad.
Like what?
I don't know.
They got that spinach
You get
avocado dip.
some wings or some breadsticks?
You want some?
How about the spinach and avocado dip?
Yeah, let's get some of that artichoke dip. Yeah. Did you want appetizer? Hold
No,
on.
I didn't really.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh. Well, I'm about to work that off later.
What?
That. All that sugar. That's the first time I had a sugar pop since January.
You could get a Diet Pepsi.
It still got sugar in it. And
Try
they
this.
didn't have no
So good.
tea or nothing, did they? I didn't see no tea.
Mm-hmm.
Where?
What?
Oh,
Ice cream.
but they probably got sugar in it.
Yeah. Well, if it's sweet tea, yeah.
Oh, well, I'll work it off. I don't know what I want to buy it. It's so hard to choose, ain't it?
Dad just stole my pizza.
What are you gonna get? A
That's a good
cheeseburger?
question.
I'm getting no cheeseburger or rib.
And I'm gonna get some salmon, $42.
There you go, Mom.
I thought about it.
Some fish.
Some salmon.
I might get a clubhouse.
Cause it's really like hard for me to steak, ribs, chicken.
I haven't eaten anything today. I actually woke up around 2.
We ate a little bit.
Wait, I ate a cheeseburger and some french fries. And
Well, here's
We got some spinach dip,
Look.
y'all. What is that?
Here's all of us.
Oh yeah, I seen that
That's their
picture.
cousin.
Cause I got on their mom's page one day and I was looking. I'm like, wait a minute, ain't that my son? And I'm like, well, who is this lady?
Yeah, everyone.
I don't know how to get rid of those pictures.
Oh, why? Cause you see them tagging me and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know. I don't ever post on Facebook that much.
Mind your business.
The baby's just kind of funny looking. She ain't got no hair.
It says, can someone tell me why this girl at the car wash with all the doors open spraying the inside of her vehicle?
Cause she retarded. Look, y'all.
Tomorrow we post a picture. Look, guys, I'm getting my car washed.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Lord, for the food we're about to eat.
Oh, yeah, I'll
Thank
take
you,
another one.
man. How did this chip get on my plate?
You put it there?
No, I didn't. You did it. Well, I was eating that chip because it's kind of salty. Is it good, y'all? Look at that.
I'm the only one that doesn't have broccoli.
Burn, baby, burn.
Park has
Oh,
a
there
lot
she
of bugs
is.
in here.
What's the matter? You're outside.
Really, duh.
She
Who? My mice.
way in the back.
We doing the s'mores, y'all. Is Mike on there with her?
No.
Oh, it looks like it.
He right there. Dougie
Oh,
was going in there.
he will.
Mama done took over. Unless you hear a boom. Let me
Then-
see.
Then he'll probably run in there.
All messy.
They were melting.
Well, that's good that they're melting, ain't it? Don't y'all want them melted, or do you want them hard rock brick?
We want them melted.
I got 2 cameras going, y'all. Look, I got the one there and the one on my phone. Should have bought my little phone thing I bought. I had to buy a new one because the other one, like this one that I had, broke. It was cheap.
What was it?
I put my phone on and I could record it. 5-minute rule or 5-second rule, ain't it?
So we do a Burger King.
No, who you talking about, that black thing?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, that's what we
No,
do.
she thought it was a stand and it's a motion.
But I use it as a stand. It works
It's a
though.
stand, but it tracks your motion. as
But
you
it-
walk.
But I ain't got to set up, so I can do it. I record anyway.
We did the
so there.
5-second rule at Burger King.
Nuh-uh. I'm not eating at the Burger King.
No, I'm kidding.
You
Make your
good?
video go viral.
Right.
What did they do at Burger King?
That's in Findlay, Ohio, y'all. Don't eat that burger.
We're parked by a graveyard.
Maybe they're visiting somebody. I wouldn't want to live by one, though. That'd be kind of
Mom
creepy.
did the same thing when we went to the park.
Tomorrow didn't think about visiting.
Mm-mm. I need to get some flowers and visit that boy I went to school with.
Ain't no fun. He said forget you. Oh no, he moved. He moved. They both did. They both did.
There's a spider on my
They
face.
gone. They at the door. They gone.
Why you do that to them?
Mm.
Me. A chicken sandwich and some fries and tomato. She's eating, bounce. Oh, shoot. Can see some of it, y'all. Dang it. Focus! I know my dog's probably going crazy. Because he's scared of fireworks. But I can't do nothing about it, y'all. I think that... Dang. Poor Mikey. I'm just sitting on my porch, y'all. And I can see the fireworks. I'm sitting out here eating my sandwich. Across the street, might as well. Oh, dang! Somebody though. Guess I can go glad we came home what we did, huh? Get it.
I had to go to the bathroom.
Did you?
I don't eat that much like I used to.
You don't eat that much?
Really that much.
What's the mark you just started? Then we gotta get on GTA, y'all, and do some fireworks. I know my dog, Michael's probably downstairs shaking. Michael's scared to death. Huh?
I'm losing it.
What's he doing? Hiding? Dang it! Ooh. Y'all see that? And Michael Pike scared to death. Yo, that was deep. That scared the mess out of me. I'm right here on the porch. I guess I'll take a turn. God, don't set nobody's house on fire.
You don't need one over to come over here and hit our house.
God, we have to run there and get the dog. I'm surprised nobody called the police yet. Every time I turn off my camera, they start. They come from all over the place. And I know my dog's scared to death, but I mean, this is what 4th of July brings. So, you ate your food?
Need anything at the house?
No, I'm good. Dang.
On GTA, remember, Mom? You were doing it all by yourself, and I was looking up like, oh, pretty.
Right.
Remember back when that was broke on GTA? I was like, oh, $6,000.
Oh, here they come.
I'm like,
Oh, dang.
I can hear them from all over there. It would be in theater. What's problem?
I think when you were little, you used to be scared of fireworks. Look, you missed some of them. But that one kind of didn't work that well. See it
Wow.
turning. Dang, leave me alone, bug.
Oh, Mom, we should get on, after we do it in GTA, we should get on Minecraft and do fireworks.
Minecraft.
There are fireworks in Minecraft.
Nuh-uh.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, I just realized that. I just remembered. I was like, wait, me and Mom, we could make our own fireworks in Minecraft. Oh, no, craft them. We can just go on a creative one, make it nighttime.
Oh, again, I missed that one. All right. That scared the mess out of me, y'all.
Mom, you're scared.
Front row seat to the people across the street.
Yeah, back.
Time, y'all. I turned it
I
off.
can't see it because the tree.
But, well, come over here and say.
Oh, I can see those ones.
Well, that's the same people doing it.
But in different location.
Gotta hope they didn't set nobody's house on fire. It looked like they might have set something on fire over there, back there, see it? Okay, you can hear it, you can't see nothing.
Oh, I thought that was a bee. That's okay. Not a bee.
Every time I get off my phone, they start. Brain, how many s'mores did Brain eat? 1?
2.
Oh, that's all?
I ate one.
I should have gave him some. I didn't even think about bringing no baggies or nothing because I didn't know if he wanted any or not. Yeah, before we know it, you guys will be going back to school.
Mom, how about the chocolate in the fridge? Is that Dad?
Did you? No, it ain't your dad. That's the people that's going over there. Ooh. At least I didn't pause it this time. I was getting ready to. I didn't know. I thought he was.
Ugh.
Oh, there they go. Dang, that one was huge.
The one time Dad tried to do a big one that failed. Remember?
At the old house.
That was funny. What did you say when that happened when it failed?
I said, wonk, wonk, wonk.
Yeah, that happens like things fail in movies. They do that.
Right. I wonder how long they gonna be out here doing it.
They do it until midnight.
I'm talking about across the street.
Yeah, until midnight.
Oh, wait.
Whoa. Oh.
Yeah, but I don't know how many fireworks they got over there. Well, it's not really across the street, like a couple houses
I got
over.
bit by some mosquitoes. Great.
Did you?
I need to put some of my cream on.
I know I got bit too,
After
a
I
few
take a
bites.
shower.
Probably on my arm. Dang it. Really? Every time. It never fails. Every time I stop, they start again. And I miss it. There they go. Get it. Get it. Get it again. I'm out here by myself. What else is new, y'all? What else is new? All these dang on mosquitoes. Sound like they shooting off a gun, y'all. Oh, Lord. There might not be no firework right there. You heard? It might be a gun. Oh, I was just ready to go in, y'all, but I guess I ain't done yet. My baby left me out here. Oh, Jesus. That's kind of scared the crap out of me. Get off, bugs. Dang.